Now the topic is suppository basis. Now the topic is suppository basis. Now the topic is suppository basis. So under that, fatty bases are oleogenous bases. Fatty bases are oleogenous bases. Fat, what is fat? Fat nothing but solid at room temperature. Oil nothing but liquid. Oil nothing but liquid at room temperature. Fat is solid at room temperature. Oil is liquid at room temperature. So fat contain only saturated fatty acid, but this oil is due to the presence of double bond unsaturation. Fat is presence of saturated fatty acid. Oil is due to the presence of unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturation means double bond is there in case of oil. No double bonds are there in case of fat. Hence it is solid at room temperature. Due to the presence of double bond, it is liquid at room temperature. Hence we are using fat. Fats means it contains only saturated fatty acid and oleogenous. Oleo nothing but oil. Oleo nothing but oil. Oil bases. See, we are calling here is a theobroma oil nothing. Theobroma oil or cocoa butter. Theobroma oil or cocoa butter. Both are same name only. This oil indicating the presence of double bond. Oil indicating the presence means unsaturated fatty acid is there. Unsaturated fatty acid is there. Because we are using the term oil nothing but there is a presence of double bond. Double bond nothing but unsaturated fatty acid should be there in cocoa butter. Then, due to the presence of unsaturated fatty acid, the cocoa butter or theobroma oil is showing the polymorphism. It's showing the polymorphism phenomena. And next one is emulsified theobroma oil. Emulsified, nothing but just used for emulsification of theobroma oil. Next one is hydrogenated oil. See, oil nothing but presence of double bond. Oil nothing but presence of double bond. Hydrogenated oil nothing but no double bond. Means whenever we will do hydrogenation, adding of hydrogen, then there is a formation of single bond. And adding of hydrogen. Hydrogenated oil nothing but see theobroma oil exhibiting pseudopolymorphic. Showing the polymorphism phenomena. So due to the presence of polymorphism phenomena, it may cause some problems. So I need to reduce that problem by hydrogenation, by adding double bonds to the fatty acid. One fatty acid is there that contain double bond. So I need to reduce the double bond in that fat oleic acid. Oleic acid is present in theobroma oil, that is double bond. When I will reduce these two double bonds with hydrogenation, then there is no double bond. Whenever there is no double bonds means it comes under fat. All are unsaturated fatty acids, then it is fat at room temperature. Then it is not showing polymorphism. This is showing polymorphism. This is not showing the polymorphism. I have solved the problem by hydrogenating the oil, theobroma oil. Hence we can call it hydrogenated oil. When we will add hydrogen to the theobroma oil, we can call it hydrogenated oil. Emulsified theobroma oil. Next one is hydrophilic bases. Hydrophilic bases nothing but this contain polar groups. Hence these are soluble in water. Soluble or miscible in water. Miscible nothing but this is a component. For example, this is a component that will mix one component with another component. Like just a surfactant. It will mix oil and water phases. Hence water miscible. We can call it the water soluble and water miscible is different. Water soluble is there. Any solute that will soluble in water we can call it soluble. Water miscible, nothing but this is solubilizes two components, two different components. Polar, non-polar can be solubilized by using water miscible agent. So water solubility. So I need to tell one thing in fatty acids. See, in fatty bases, they need to melt at body temperature at 37 degrees centigrade. Body temperature at 37 degrees centigrade. This fat should be need to melt. This fat should be need to melt. Otherwise, these are not at all useful. So this is about importance of melting point in case of fatty bases. Here water soluble or water miscible, just nothing but they will dissolve in water. See, rectum fluid is there. In the rectum fluid is there. So in the rectum temperature also there. They need to melt at rectum temperature. Rectum containing water. Rectum fluid, we can call it the rectum fluid. This water soluble or water miscible fat suppository bases, they need to dissolve in our body. Rectum fluid, they need to dissolve in rectum fluid. So what are those? Glycerogelatin, polyethylene glycol, glycerin, this is formula of glycerin. Polar groups are there. See, polar groups are there, water soluble. See, this gelatin also contain polar groups. Gelatin also contain polar groups. Hence, these are water soluble. Glycerin contain polar groups, water soluble. Glycerin contain polar groups, water soluble. Gelatin also contain polar groups, hence it is water soluble. Next one is polyethylene glycol. See, polyethylene glycol structure is like this. Presence of oxygen and OH hydrogen group, polar groups. Oxygen also polar bond donating, hydrogen bond donating. This is hydrogen bond acceptor. Hydrogen is hydrogen bond acceptor and oxygen, two oxygen, hydrogen bond donors. Due to the presence of polar group, these are also water soluble, comes under water soluble or water miscible. This glycerogelatin majorly comes under water soluble. This polyethylene glycol comes under water miscible basis. Polyethylene glycol comes under water miscible basis. Then this polyethylene glycol we can call as a carboaxes or macrogals or polyols. Same synonyms. Carboax, macrogal or polyols for polyethylene glycol. Next one is emulsifying bases or synthetic bases. See, theobromine, nothing but cocoa butter exhibiting polymorphism phenomena, and it is showing some problems. It is creating some problems. So I need to avoid that problems by replacing the oleic acid present in the cocoa butter, unsaturated fatty acid present in cocoa butter, by replacing the unsaturated fatty acid with saturated fatty acid in these cases. Only saturated fatty acids are there in metapsalo, musapolo, and musaestyrium. Metapsalo, musapolo, musaestyrium, musapolo, metapsalo. These are contains only saturated fatty acids. How this, what mechanism they will act as emulsifying basis means they will emulsify the small amount of aqueous drug. Nothing but just consider this is water, this is consist of drug. In the water it is consist of drug. Then it is emulsified by the emulsion. Then it is emulsified like water in oil kind of emulsion, leads to formation of water in oil kind of emulsion. See, formation of small amount of aqueous solution of drug. The mechanism is formation of emulsify the small amount of aqueous solution of drug. This is about emulsifying bases or synthetic bases. This we have synthesized by replacing the unsaturated fatty acid in cocoa butter with saturated fatty acid, metapsalo, musapol, musaestyrium. This is about suppository bases.